Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro. So from any screen, you've been working on, if you click telephone, you've got scan devices, pair device or select device, and if I go down there, you've also got delete device, settings and Bluetooth. So we just want to scroll down to delete device. So on delete device highlighted, click, and you've got Barry's iPhone there. That's the one I want to delete. Click OK. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes or no. If you decided against it, you just click it over there to no, but I want to delete it, so that's a yes. That's it done. Thanks for watching.